Okay then, I'm going to show you how to make the toasted sesame seed Sazerac. This is my favourite drink of all time, so I want to make sure we make it really good. Some people say it's the oldest cocktail ever invented, and there's a lot of mythology going on with mixology and what have you, but originally it didn't have absinthe in it. It was just whiskey, or cognac actually, sugar, and something called Peychaud's bitters, which as you see looks like that. But we're going to do a slightly different twist on it. Instead of just using sugar syrup, we're going to use toasted sesame seed syrup. So I'll show you how to do that straight away. Really easy drink to make. So we're going to start off with a double shot. I'm going to measure it just so I don't have a pour on this particular bottle. So that would be an 8 count of bourbon or whiskey. We'll be using Jim Beam. Then a single shot of the toasted sesame seed sugar syrup. If I can just bring that into view a little bit there, you can see that. And then, this is very important to get it absolutely spot on, we're going to use 6 dashes of Mr. Peychaud's Magic Bitters. It's actually called aromatic bitters, but the magic to me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get a nice red colour on that drink there. Then we're going to pop in the ice. All the way to the top. Like so. We're going to stir it for about between 10 to 15 seconds, so the fluid should probably come up to about here by the time it's stirred and diluted. Just before we start stirring though, I'm going to use what's called a vaporizer, and this will be filled with absinthe. I just want to spray the glass, so you pump these like so. I'll show you that in more detail in another one. We just want to spray the inside of that glass. We don't really want any huge amounts of absinthe in there, we just want to get the nose of the drink. Okay, and then we stir. So you put your stirring spoon in at the side there and simply stir for about, as I say, 10 to 15 seconds. You might be able to see that the level has risen now all the way up here. That's looking good. This drink was also traditionally served straight up, which means without ice. If it's on the rocks, it means with ice. Then we use our hawthorn strainer over the top of the Boston glass, like so, and simply pour it into our rocks glass. Alright, so when it's poured in, it's not a huge drink. It doesn't need to be, trust me, 2 of those and you'll know about it. Or you'll be going home. One or the other, and then we'll just take a small piece of lime zest with our paring knife like so. So you've got that little bit there, and you see the oils are released, the cells are open there, so I'm just going to squeeze that tiny little bit of lime essential oils and pop that into the drink. Toasted sesame seed Sazerac. Enjoy.